May 31st. It's been raining here, as you can see, and just notice I have a sweet lavender mulberry ready to be picked. I have one over here where it's not ready to be picked yet, but this one is, so I'm super excited to try it. And if you hear the background noise, it's just my baby. Oops, where it is. There it is. Look at that lovely color. Well, I think it's lacking a little sunlight, so I think it would be a little bit more sweeter than it could be right now that I eat it, because it just rained. There wasn't sun the last couple days, so I really think the sun does make a difference when it does ripen a little later. It's been in my greenhouse, so it ripened a little sooner, but that is why when it ripens a month later, the flavor will be much better. And nonetheless, I really like sweet lavender. Just a quick review today.